We've completed our renovation on our rental property here in Wilmington. I want to show you all what we've done to it. Look back on some of our previous videos. You'll see what we did as far as the clean out and the demo renovation project. But this has gone pretty quickly. It took us about 2 months. Great news is we already got a tenant. We got a tenant within a couple of days of putting it on the market. They fell in love with it. Let me show you the house. Come on in. A lot of old world charm here. Just really interesting and unique baseboards and trim work. And there's even a second door here before you come in. Kind of keeps the cold air out there. Come on in. We've got high baseboards, really neat trim. And this is the first room here. The living room, it's got these 2 French doors that you can close them in if you want. There's a fireplace here. We've got them closed off right now. But super neat house. Let's go see the rest.